So we'll try it out.
Well enough for what I do.
Teeny baby one.
Okay, you open that teeny baby one.
Dad, I got a baby one. Look at my mommy wrapped up me.
Jack, are you sure that one's yours?
Yes.
No, I think it's Daddy's. Yeah, look. Lucy wrote it herself. To Dad from Lucy. But Jack's opening it for you.
She wrote that or you did?
No. Oh, did I?
Yeah.
I did.
Mommy,
She
look
just
at
wrote
that.
her
You
name.
wrote the wife for
More
that.
kitty section.
She did.
Kind of
She wrote
stuff.
Lucy. Cute.
Was it in here?
Yeah, that's yours.
Daddy, look what I got. Daddy, look. Daddy, look what I got.
Old Navy shirt. Yay! Oh, good.
It's nice,
Daddy,
right?
Look what I got, Daddy.
Hey,
Look,
Lucy.
I changed back some these kind of
And I
stuff.
guarantee it was cheap.
Yeah, look what I got.
You're welcome.
Soft little
Yeah,
girl sock.
more. It wasn't just little.
Okay. Wait, Jack, is this yours?
No, I want to open this.
What is that?
No, you can open different presents, right?
Mhm.
Wait,
That's not yours, buddy. Only the red one. Snowflake
I
one.
want pajamas. I
don't know what that is.
Look what?
Ooh, cool. Those are awesome.
Jackie, look. Jackie, look what you.
Well, you see what's in that bag,
Jackie,
honey?
look what you got.
I don't remember. No, those are yours. They have stuff on there. Okay. What is this?
D-sets too. I got D-sets
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, it's from Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Jack, look.
Cool.
Daddy got it. What is this?
I'm opening this one, Mama.
Oh, look what I got. Aren't those beautiful?
Look what I
Oh my
wanna open
gosh,
this
honey.
one.
They were
Can I
nice.
open
They were
this one? Why can I open
$40.
this one?
No, that's mine.
Well, Mommy, I
Did
wanna
you get them
open
for that
this
much money?
one.
No, they were originally $165. They were on sale, and then they got the discount with the card. So, got it in this place.
Okay.
The card discount.
Wow. Thank you, honey. Those are awesome.
They're not Ugg boots. But
Well, they're
nice.
awesome.
What are they called? Like,
I don't know. They're just called awesome. They're called Keep My Feet Warm.
Mommy, I wanna open this.
Shiloh?
Mommy, I wanna open this one.
Does it
they're
have your name on it?
Born URN.
Oh. Wow, honey. Thank you. I really
Mommy,
appreciate it.
there's not any on my name, and I wanna open them.
Hey. Calm yourself down. Look.
I wanna open this one.
Maybe there's some right
Mini,
here.
it's mini.
Where?
That mini.
Oh, that's, no, we'll say both to Daddy.
But that mini.
To Nick, Matthew and Nikki. Here, open this one for Mark Henry. Okay, Matt, open up, that one. The Charlie Brown.
Oh, all these two questions.
Whoa, cool.
Daddy, look.
You're going to have the cleanest teeth on the street.
Well, they're for us.
Oh my gosh. They use like one a year.
I know. No, you don't. I just rotate them, but you don't know it.
Dad, look what we got. All of our family. What can I open next?
Wait for Daddy. You guys are done. Just a minute.
Let me open it. New
Oh,
jeans. New jeans.
wow. Thank you.
We can take them back if you don't like them.
That's fine. I like it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mom, I want to open this one with my name and Jack's name.
That says to Nikki from
Oh, this
Lucy.
one's $45.
No.
Can I open it, Mom?
It's half. It's like
Can I open
60% off of that.
Mommy, can I open this?
They do?
This one?
Aren't they 30?
Mom,
Just a minute, Lucy.
open this one.
Maybe I'm short.
I don't think they look short.
I got room.
They're baggy like you like
I
them.
got more. You got church pants.
Okay.
More brown church pants.
Wow, good.
Can I open this?
No, I'm gonna open it.
But it has my name.
Yeah, cause
Can I
you
help you
cause you
open
gave
it?
it to me.
Can
Yep.
I help you open it?
Why don't you hold this while I open it and watch me open it, okay?
No.
And Kongua.
Can you help me?
Yeah, here.
What is this, Mama?
That's the one you showed me the first night.
Mommy, that was
The Aunt
mine.
Kongua.
That was mine.
I think so. Ask Daddy.
You see that?
This is mine, Daddy.
That's it. Yep, that's Jack.
Open up.
Whoa.
Ooh. Now that is.
Sir Lucy and Jack.
Wow. Thanks, Lucy and Jack. Oh, I love these pens. Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
No, that's Daddy's. Will you hand it to him, please?
Yep.
Oh, honey, that's very nice. Thank you. Lucy, do you like my new sweater?
Yes, what is this?
That is for Lucy and Jack, and you can open it together in just a
Wait for
second.
Jack.
Wait for Jack, please.
Oh, that's a cartoon.
Holy cow. Is that a car shoes?
Whoa.
Oh, wow. I saw that shoes. Wow,
Yes, yellow
shoes.
eye.
Woohoo.
I hope they're the right size.
Look what he got. Could you give me open this?
I think so.
I think it's a 9.
Mommy, not put it on.
Yep.
Sweetie.
You're welcome, honey.
Is that yours?
I got a way awesome deal on them.
Mommy, could you give me open this one now?
Yep. Now you and Jack can
Yeah,
open
let's
that one.
open this